Oh, I just did a replay of the video and realized you guys didn't really see me do the scratch test because I had it differently. So I'm going to do a scratch test here on the grape, Concord grape right here. And you can see that green. That's green. Y'all didn't get to see that. I'm sorry. And, oh, every time I come out here, I trip over something. And I'm going to come over here and do the muscadine. Let's see if this little muscadine right here is alive. You see the green? I think y'all can see that. I was pulling it back, but yeah. That's how you know it's alive. Then we go here. This is the kiwi berry. I couldn't think of the name. Now this is an example of when something is dead. This is dead. So you don't stop there. You go and keep going further down. If that's dead, you go further down. Let's go here. And that's green. See? Green is good. So when you come through, you will come through and cut away all the dead parts and keep, you know, of course, the green part. That's what it's going to grow from. This is a Yasta berry. This year it should fruit. For me, it didn't last year. It takes about 3 years. Let's see. You see green. Look at there. So I knew it was alive, though. It's budding out. Look at here.